Hello guys, welcome to the chapter Reddit Good Practices. In this lesson, we're going to talk about what are Reddiquettes. Let's get started. You can think of Reddit as a platform full of content that people already find interesting. Redditors have rated the content shared on subreddits using the voting system. The content that you'll discover on Reddit, especially the popular content, are already voted by Redditors, showing people that the content is something that you must see. Reddiquette is a combination of terms Reddit and etiquette. It represents the proper conduct that Reddit users should follow when using the Reddit platform. These are also considered as the values written by your fellow Redditors. Abide by the rules and you'll have a peaceful experience on Reddit. Before Redditors post and share content on Reddit, they must know the rules for the proper Reddit etiquette. First, vote posts. When you discover content that you like and you think it deserves to be upvoted, then go ahead and upvote it using the upward arrow before the title of the post. If it's not a relevant content for the community, then you can downvote it. Next, read the content before you upvote. Only upvote content that deserves to be given a good rating. If the content is an article, be sure to read the full article and decide whether it deserves an upvote or a downvote. This means that you can just vote content as soon as you see the title. There may be times that the title is misleading or the content is not related to the title. Next, read the rules before posting. When you browse through the subreddits that you search for, you may have observed how Redditors post on those subreddits. Each subreddit has its own rules that you must abide by. If you want to join the community and post your content in that subreddit, you must follow the rules posted inside the community. Respect the rules of each subreddit and learn from their community. Next, be on the lookout for Redditors who don't abide by the rules. You can report any spam content that you can find on any subreddit community. This is a good practice for maintaining Reddit as a spam-free community. There are tons of content that you may find on the platform. Once you stumble upon a content that is considered spam, report it immediately. Next, use proper grammar. While people on social media have their own lingo, and sometimes they shorten up the terms, there's a chance that they can misspell some terms and use wrong grammar. Make sure that when you share a post, you proofread your content before posting it. Maintaining proper communication on Reddit is important. Next, check for duplicates. Before you post, a Redditor may have already posted that content that you want to share. So make it a habit to search for the same content first before you post the content. Doing this will avoid being redundant in sharing posts that Redditors might have already seen before. Next, when you share links to your content, make sure to follow the 9:1 ratio. That is, out of 9 posts, only one of those posts will have a link to your website content. This way, you won't be seen as spamming the community. Now that you know what are Reddiquettes, we can now proceed to the next topic, common mistakes to avoid. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.